you right away. I need you now. I need you now. I need you now. I need you now. Not another second or another minute, not an hour, another day. But Lord, I need you right away. If I've ever needed you before, to show up and restore all of the faith that I let slip, what was it? Searching the world for more, the truest friend I've had indeed. You're my best friend, I know in need. I stretch my hands to thee, come rescue me. I need you right away. The agony of being alone, the fear of doing things on my own, the tests and trials that come to make me strong, the feelings of guilt, hurt, shame, and defeat, the ways of trials that beat upon me. But to know, Lord, that in you I've got victory. I need you now, Lord, I need you now. Oh, I need you right now, right now, right now. I need you now. Oh, not another second, not another minute, Lord. Can't wait another day. Oh no. Please make a way. Oh no. Thank you.